QSL?
QSL 100%. 5-9 plus a 20 plus a 30 for you, Marty. Good copy. The best 73 from France, country Strasbourg. The personal name is Norbert, November Oscar, Radio, Bravo, Pico, Radio Tango. Norbert, my call sign is 14 India Alpha Alpha. Topic Alpha. QSL, Marty, back to you.
Okay, India Alpha, 100%, my friend. Very extremely strong signal. Okay, working conditions. Working conditions this side, quite simple. Transceiver Kenwood, Kenwood Tango Sugar 480. Just a stock microphone. At the moment, the mobile antenna is a tank whip, a 9-foot tank whip quarter wave on a tri-mag magnetic base on my car, QSL.
QSL, you have a good job in your mobile. Congratulations. I have also of my side the Tango Sugar 480 Sugar. The same, 100 whiskey. The microphone is the mic Charlie 60. For the antenna, a 4-element Yagi beam, 15 meters from the ground. Voilà, Marty, back to you.
Yeah, fine business, your antenna. Very good job. Your antenna is doing all the hard work. Okay, my friend, I just heard you QSY. I thought I would just stop and say hello, let you know how well you are sounding today in North Ireland to my mobile. So I'll give you 7 threes, let you work a little more DX. So good luck, good DX, and the most important, good health, my friend, you and your family. From 68 World Radio 048/mobile, we'll go clear in the final of it.
Okay, Marty, 100%. I wish you a good evening. Many contacts for you, and I hope to meet you again. 5-9 plus 20 plus 30. Congratulations, Marty. You have a good job. Voilà. 68 World Radio 048. Mr. Marty from 14 India Alpha 491. Norbert, Strasbourg. You're a new radio friend. Bye, Marty. Thank you. 73. Take care.
Bye-bye, my friend. Congratulations on your big signal. Bye-bye.